A bugle as a warning played from a watchman in the spire allowed the city to defend itself from attack by Tatar fire. And one of the attackers saw the bugler making the warning call, and with an arrow fired pierced his throat, causing the music to cease and a man dead to fall. And to this day in Krakow town that music it is played, from the same spire on the same church where once it was a warning to make people afraid. A siren then, why is it now that sounds of danger are so plain? I can't hear something as sweet as the Hejnal's sweet refrain.